Okay, welcome SMF Street Traders. What we did was we started building off that bottom, and that SMF brain of ours is at 45. It started to go our way. What MMTs were told before the opening bell is how a bottom would get put in. And basically MMTs, we can see right here that as soon as we stopped at 0.66 ratio, that's when the price got in. And, you know, I was so busy, we didn't get the best prices there. But it's okay because 79 pennies is a low and the entry is 94 pennies. And we're finally starting to work our way laterally up where that price action was made. And here, I want to make sure that you see it in the video. You can see that we came down to 0 in here. Okay, and let's populate this. And we got to hold half of this SMF MMT price action bar. Okay, because we do. And basically, we can hold that. Right now I can't show you what your figures are because we're populating all the historical data right now in the brain. And basically you can see our entries are 162.94. We're a little bit late to the plate here because I couldn't get the bids over there, but I just bought 5 of these at 490. I'm going to put the other, and that's the 460 call that we talked about. Basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get below the marketplace down here at 420. Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, man. Thank you, Peter Brady. Just informed me I'm buying the wrong contract. It can happen. I paid $4.90. I don't like how these things trade. I'm going to put this out to sell as soon as he comes up there. Thank you, Peter Brady. So basically he's 95 cents and I'm going to sell at 95 because these are illiquid. I am out. That's the wrong contract. Let me go over to the turbo option there and let's find the real contract that expires, and it's this one right here. So that was my mistake, MMTs. I've got to look at 676 as a low, 750 as a high. I got 400 shares long over here. Let me put a bid below the market here and correct that trade. So that's another thing. I did not look at the title bar, and it can happen to me. And that's what happens when you really don't pay attention. And at times I don't pay attention. And this is what happens when I don't pay attention. So basically I know what the low is. It's a narrow range contract. The thing I like was that they closed at 8.5 on Friday. But see, the bid and the ask is a little bit rich for my blood right now. And what I am going to do is I'm going to go back and take a look at it because no MMT is telling me where. See, that's the reversal here on Google. So basically no MMT is telling me where I'm at. Not one. Not one. So I don't know when to sell because MMTs guide me as well when I'm not looking at something. They're to be guiding me and telling me if the price action is changing in the brain. And here it is. It's above 45, so we got some price action support. This was that bottom. Here's a small distribution bar up here at the top. I'm going to protect my profits, though, because if I don't protect my profits, then they will evaporate. So now that I know what that is doing and it's struggling there, I'm going to see if I can take my profits during that time frame. And there, I just sold out on and took my profits there. Now I'm going to get back over here and I'm going to try to get the right call contract, and I'm going to bid this at 660 on 5. Here it is. That's the 160 call that was in the money. We already traded 400 shares off the bottom. Now I'm going to go at 660 because I had missed the contract. 8.5 was the close. That puts me wholesale relative to the previous day's close with the ratio spread profit. Once again, you've been given a gift, and that's the beautiful thing about knowing when to get in and when to get out. And that's exactly what we did. And I want MMTs to know that. Okay? So basically, that's what we've done, and that will be the end of it.